Okay, we are here trying to see I assumed that this app would allow me to see on my phone screen what was going on the GoPro, but here you're here with GoPro Handyman Mitch Miller. I am going to attempt to diagnose my Roomba Discovery, Irobot Roomba Discovery 2004. Legend has it was struck by lightning, power surge happened, and and it stopped working. So I'm gonna break it down and see if I can figure what I think happened was the circuitry that allows it to charge stopped working, because the charger works, the home station works. As you can see, I have the home station. I have one of these divider wall things that stops it from going into certain places. So the charger powers on, both of these lights light up and blink, and when I plug it directly into the robot, it doesn't, none of these lights come on. So I think the charging circuitry that allows it to charge is broken. As you can see, I have some tools here. I hope I have the right stuff to tear this Roomba Discovery down and see if we can diagnose it. I'm also going to take some photographs and stuff like that once I tear it down. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this bin out. This is the bin, the cartridge, and the filter. I'm going to set that way over there. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to pull the battery out. There's two tabs right here, and that pulls out. Battery is dead and cannot be charged. Next, I'm going to pull these two yellow tabs and pull this piece out. I believe these brushes and rollers come out as well. All right, so we're down to the basic robot structure here. So now I'm going to start taking screws out and assessing this. It looks like this is all one piece here. So I'm going to try to take these screws out. Those seem like they're spring-loaded screws. So we take the first two screws out from under the battery tabs. And we're going to take these ones down by the brushes and rollers out. With those two screws out, they're slightly smaller, so we'll keep them separate. take these screws out. And we'll put those in a separate. So we're going to take these ones out. And we're going to try to get a look inside of one of these things and see what it looks like in there. Try pulling these screws. Seems like it's all kind of spring low. These are super long screws here. Put those in the, those are tapping screws, almost like wood screws. Okay, and we got a lot of hair in here. That's our old cat Tuesday's hair. That's wired in. Almost seems like we're going to have to take these. This is a bumper on the front of this. It bumps into things and then it bounces back and reassesses. And it looks like we're going to have to take those screws out as well. I think I'm going to need a smaller screw driver. Possibly this. Alright, there's the bumper coming off of there. We've got our 4 bumper screws coming off. There we go. Oh, this thing's coming apart. Alright, we've got our power